Today I'm gonna tell you something that you will surely love and stick to throughout your life. Hey guys, welcome back to Epison Tutorials. Stay tuned for learning a secret technique on building your vocabulary. कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप कितनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलते हो. One can be a beginner, a mediocre, or an advanced fluent English speaker. Everyone faces great difficulty in learning and memorizing new and difficult English words. नए नए इंग्लिश वर्ड सीखना इज़ रियली वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट और सबसे ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट है उनको याद रखना, उनको रिटेन करना. वाई? बिकॉज इंग्लिश इज़ नॉट आवर मदर टंग, इट्स अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज फॉर अस. इसीलिए बार बार न्यूज़पेपर, बुक्स, नॉवेल्स पढ़ते हुए हमें डिक्शनरी की मदद लेनी पड़ती है. सो व्हाट शुड वी डू टू एक्वायर गुड वोकैबुलरी स्किल्स? हियर कम्स द मैजिक ऐप फॉर दैट, Volt. Volt is a vocabulary learning app that helps you to learn new English words by boosting your mind power and visual image retention capacity. ये एक नॉर्मल ऐप नहीं है जिसमें डिफरेंट वर्ड्स दिए हैं उनके मीनिंग और सेंटेंसेस के साथ और आपको उनको लर्न करना है. नो, इट्स अ डिफरेंट ऐप. इट बूस्ट्स योर माइंड पावर. हमारे माइंड की पावर, हमारी रिटेंशन कैपेसिटी कैसे बूस्ट होती है? जब हम किसी चीज़ को देखते हैं, जब हम किसी चीज़ का किसी दूसरी चीज़ के साथ लॉजिकल रिलेशन बनाते हैं, तब वो चीज़ हमारे दिमाग में रहती है. सो दिस ऐप वर्क्स ऑन द सेम टेक्निक. In order to download this app for your Android mobile, you will find the app link in the description box. First, let me give you an introduction of this app. Volt is an Indian app designed by an Indian, Abhishek Jain, who has really done a great job in making people's life better. Let's see how this app works. As you will install this app on your phone, you will see this kind of interface. You can learn a new word with the help of memory key, or you can learn by GIF image, or you can learn through a video. You can also revise the words that you have already learned. You can take tests later on. So it depends on how you want to learn. You can explore it as you wish. Now let's begin with learn from memory key. The first word is agog. Agog. It means highly excited by eagerness and curiosity. Means thrilled. You can also check the pronunciation of this word at this volume button. The memory key of this word is agog. Sounds like gog, means goggles. I got agog by seeing a gog on a dog. So as you can see in the picture, a dog is wearing goggles. So by creating this image in your mind, you will never forget the meaning of this word. Let's see the usage. The news has chemists agog. The news enthralled, excited the chemists. Her supporters were agog at the idea. Her supporters were thrilled at the new idea. So this is a great way to learn a new word. Now you will never forget this word. Let's switch to the next word. Cloister. Cloister means seclusion, a place where monks or nuns live. The memory key is, the word cloister sounds like closed oyster. You can see the picture. Imagine a closed oyster with a pearl inside it. The pearl is secluded or isolated from the outside world. So the cloister means isolation. So all this is connected with your brain. It has created a picture in your brain. So you will never forget the meaning of this word now. Let's see the usage. They left the cloister and wandered in search of food. Let's see another word. Onerous. Onerous means burdensome, troublesome, involving obligations or responsibilities. Means something जो बहुत परेशान करे. अब ये word आसानी से याद रहने वाला तो है नहीं. But you can learn its meaning with the help of this memory key. The word onerous can be memorized as honor rush. Onerous, honor rush. Now this is actually not true. This is just an imagination of someone. तो onerous को बना दिया honor rush. Our honor or our boss is such a troublesome person that we rush away on seeing him. कि honor आ गया, boss आ गया, now rush. So onerous means burdensome and troublesome. Remember it as our honor is very onerous. So now you will learn the meaning of this word. Usage. The child found his duties increasingly onerous. Child labor becomes quite onerous for children. So this is a great way to learn new words. You can build your vocabulary like anything by using this app. However, I would recommend that you should stick to only 2 words a day. You can also learn new words by watching the videos as you like. Once in a week, you should revise your words as is given the link here. And you should also take a test once or twice in a week in order to retain all the words that you have learned. Let me know how you liked this video. If this video proved useful to you, please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to my channel if you want more such videos. Thank you so much.